YouTube? What's the scene? It's your boy Chef back again with another video, man. And as y'all can see from the title and the thumbnail, we got another POV drive, chat. Yes, sir. My fault, y'all. I haven't uploaded a video in about I'll say about like 3-4 days. 3-4 days. My bad. I've been, feel me? Been busy, life and but I got y'all. So thought I'd pick up the cam, give y'all boys a little POV video today. Hope y'all seeing good up there on the cam, but yeah, it's a beautiful day here in New York City, man. The days is getting better. I ain't gonna lie, chat. The days is getting better. Like spring, summer, like, you know what I'm saying? We fought through winter, now we here. You know what I'm saying? So, like I said, make sure y'all boys like, comment, subscribe. I hope y'all enjoy the video. Oh, nah, I gotta skip this. This is ridiculous. Make sure y'all boys enjoy the video because remember, road to... This nigga threw that shit, no signal. Remember, road to 1,000 subscribers, chat. We almost there. I think my sub count is like 831 right now. You know what I'm saying? We almost there. You know what I'm saying? We dead almost there. That ain't nothing. So, like I said, make sure y'all boys like, comment, subscribe, tell a friend to tell a friend. And yeah, man, y'all boys enjoy the fucking video, chat. Alright, chat, but I'm sorry, but we in a little bit of traffic. Some Q60 just got behind me. That's interesting. But yeah, we in a little bit of, you know, rush hour traffic, 414. It ain't nothing. I'm currently on my way to Long Island right now. So I said, fuck it, why not, right? I don't even know when this video gonna drop. Hopefully, maybe I'll push this video out today. See what happens. See what happens, chat. Car sounding good though. We feeling good. You know what I'm saying? Bro, we really here, man. We really here. Some nigga hit the sun. What happened here? What happened? My brother hit the sun? No, he didn't. New York City is not a real place, chat. Damn, I wish we had more traffic, man. I would have been. Whoop, whoop. It's a beautiful day out here. It's not too cold, the wind breezy, the car feeling sweet, like, you know what I'm saying? Like, sheesh. I'm excited, man. I'm excited. Woo! Whoa. He's a monster. Roll this window up here. See if y'all can hear me a little better. He's moving in that fucking Corolla though. I ain't gonna lie to nobody, chat. He's moving that shit on phone him. On the dead Loki's. This nigga is braking on the turn is ridiculous. Nah, we gotta skip this nigga. Somebody teach that brother how to take corners. Woo! Oh my god! He's a monster. Woo! Damn, it's been a minute. Nah, what am I doing? I'm fucking cutting up with a Toyota. Cutting up with the Toyota. Yo, he's yo, this nigga is taking 3 lanes religiously. My boy is playing no roles right now. Fuck it, shout out to him though. He is taking 3 lanes religiously. My boy said, shoot, shoot. I'm crying. That's actually dead funny. What the fuck is this guy in front of me? Bro, it's so nice outside, chat. Like the energy is here, the vibes is high, chat. I'm trying to show you. Do I gotta break this shit down? Hello. God. You know what's crazy? The gas prices is dumb high, right? And here I am, doing dumb shit like this. Keep in mind, when gas was cheap and shit, you know, actual like, you know, when gas prices actually made sense, I barely had this shit in M2 mode. Gas prices high, scud. Now I'm in M2 mode every day. I don't get me, bro. Fuck it, man. Hey, what are you doing? Don't cross the solid white lines, chat. What do you mean? 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 How we looking, chat? We looking solid. We looking fucking pumping. School zone, man. Make sure y'all be careful. Watch out for the kids and shit. You know the vibes. Little turbo noises. Red light. Pistol in a pocket don't feel right. Meanwhile, my money can't think twice. It's about to be a fucking green light. I mean, I'm feeling off that Nintendo. I wanna be this way until the end go. This nigga's coming down here with the woman with her dog. Speed limit 20 miles per hour, chat. School zone. Make sure y'all boys follow directions. Feel me? What the fuck is wrong with y'all? Ooh, was that a Vetsky? Corvetsky? Sheesh. He's white, so it's alright. Whoa. Was it State Trooper? State boys. Chat. He's a monster, chat. He's a monster, chat. My fault, chat. Come outside and show y'all boys the car a little bit, cause why the fuck not? You know what I mean? Why the fuck not? Beautiful day out here. Cam on the head. Vibes is hot. You know the vibes. You already see what we got going on here. Oh, a little scuff. Damn. I ain't throw a front lip on this bitch. I'm not gonna lie to you, chat. Let's see how we looking. Got a little thumbnail. A little thumbnail for the vid. All right.